I'm Amy Vastardis with Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate, and I'm coming to you live today from outside my office to talk to you about our Coldwell Banker Cares Foundation. Coldwell Banker Cares has been raising money in the Central Florida area since 2001 and has raised over $5 million for organizations like Habitat for Humanity, the Ronald McDonald House, the American Cancer Society, the YMCA, and many more organizations. As everyone knows, Hurricane Dorian has left devastating effects on the Bahamas, and because of that, Coldwell Banker Cares has teamed up with the Global Empowerment Mission to provide emergency aid to the Bahamas. If you're not familiar with who Global Empowerment Missions is, they have been providing frontline disaster relief around the world since 2011. And they've made it really easy for you to participate and to help out. So all you need is a computer or a cell phone, and from the comfort of your home, your car, or your office, you can go shopping. If you've got Amazon Prime, that would be the perfect place to start, free shipping, and you can ship your stuff to the Global Empowerment Mission. If you look above, we're going to have their address as well as their web address. If you don't have time to go shopping, but you still want to donate, you can go direct to their website and donate money right there, and they will do the shopping for you. I want to thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you'll be able to participate in this very important cause. I appreciate you showing up, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next month on my next live. I am going to be attaching some information to the comment section of the live, which is going to have some additional information on some of the items that they are looking for. Some of them, just to name a few, portable generators, chainsaws, cots and tents, flashlights and batteries, baby items such as baby bottles and formula, diapers and wipes, life jackets, any kind of medical gloves and masks, and the list goes on. So please take a look in the comment section when we're done for a list of that. It will also include the address as well as the web address. So once again, thank you, and until next month, goodbye.